Hi everyone. Just thought I'd drop in quickly this month, in the month following the last federal budget, with just an announcement that came during the budget that probably was overlooked a little bit and wasn't taken as seriously as the tax rate changes that have been brought forward as a response to COVID. One of the things that have troubled children who have wanted to have their parents come and live with them and provide them with a granny flat right for their occupying of the child's home was the disparity, I guess, between the way Centrelink treat the formal agreement between child and parent and the way the tax office treat that formal agreement between child and parent. Up until now, obviously Centrelink are wanting to encourage formal agreements with the rise of elder abuse and the implications that it creates for the child in providing that right for their parent to live in their home with them. Both need protection. Centrelink provide the protection and the encouragement for those formal agreements in that the parents will actually get a homeowner exemption depending on the amount of money that is paid to the child for the granny flat right. But with this support comes the different tax office treatment. At the moment, the tax office see the creation of that granny flat right for the amount of money that has been paid by the parent to the child as being a capital gains tax event. Importantly, the creation of that right and the transferring of that right to the parent happening at the same time means that there is no 50% discount. So on sale of the property, there potentially can be a significant capital gains tax event for the child in just wanting to do the right thing for their parents. The government since 2018 have been reviewing the disparity between Centrelink and the tax office, and I'm pleased to say that in the recent federal budget in October this year have announced the change that brings into line the treatment from Centrelink with the treatment from the tax office. Provided there is a formal agreement between child and parent, which creates that granny flat right, not only do they get the Centrelink benefits from the assets test for the parent's pension, but there is also relief and support and confidence, I guess, in the treatment from a tax perspective. Provided there's that formal agreement, there is no capital gains tax event that happens on the child affording to the parent a granny flat right for life. This brings a lot of comfort to these arrangements and supports the need to have that formal arrangement in place to give certainty for child and parent. I just thought I'd raise that because we've seen this a lot in the last few years with clients and friends of clients that are wanting to do the right thing but have been dissuaded by the disparity in the treatment. If there's any questions that this change raises, we've got a lot of experience in looking at these situations and would be happy to have a no obligation chat to sort of let you know what your rights might be and how you can make the best use of the change of legislation to provide better comfort, better support for your parents as they age, or to help your child with an injection towards their mortgage in return for you living with them at their place. Thanks for listening. I hope you're all going well, and if there's anything that we can do, please don't hesitate to call. We're in the office, we're working as normal, and we're seeing plenty of people who are now starting to emerge from where they've been locked down in previous years.